Your Electrolux washer suddenly stops mid-cycle and displays the E11 error code on the screen. Sometimes the machine fills very slowly, while other times it won't take in water at all before shutting the cycle down completely. The E11 code is usually linked to water supply problems, blocked inlet filters, low water pressure, or hose connection issues rather than a major washer failure. In many situations, the washer simply cannot detect enough incoming water within the expected time. Before assuming the control board is damaged, these are the steps you can try to fix this and clear the E11 error properly. 1. Turn off the washer and disconnect it from power briefly. 2. Check that both water supply valves are fully open. 3. Inspect the inlet hoses for bends, twist, or blockage. 4. Remove and clean the small inlet filter screens carefully. 5. Confirm that household water pressure is flowing normally. 6. Restart the washer and begin a fresh wash cycle. 7. Watch if the washer fills correctly without showing the E11 code again.